Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You want to see how I did this look? Stay tuned. So I'm filling in the brows with a brow pencil that I got from LA Girls. I'm also not a pro at doing brows, so I'm just taking my time to see how this brow turns out, because I don't really do brows good. Right here I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer. I think that's in the number 13 with, I think that's the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer brush, just to make the brow more precise. I'm using the Louise Rumour base concealer right here to make the eyelid a little bit lighter, so the colors that I'm about to use on the lid, they can pop some more. So in the crease right here, I'm using the purple shade in the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette. I'm also going to be using another purple shade from the Profusion palette. The Spectrum by Profusion, that's the one. Yes. And also another shade that I use in the crease is dark brown by the Morphe 3503 palette. I'm also blending that out with the pink shade from the Profusion Spectrum palette right there. Also at the top, at the brow bone, I'm gonna be using a yellow shade just to blend it so all those colors come together. Now I'm gonna be cutting the crease. Right here I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills precise concealer brush with the Louise Rumour base concealer right here. This is like the slow step where you gotta get everything precise, cutting the crease and everything. Watch as I go along. Right here I'm using the same shades that I use in the crease area. That's the purple shade in the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette. I'm also using the same shades from the Profusion Spectrum palette and just blending those all together so we don't have any sharp lines within all those colors. And also this is like a cream shade from the Morphe 3503 palette. This is some glitter liner that I put just to make it a bit sparkly. This liquid liner that I'm using is by Tarte. I don't remember the name of it, but I'll put it in the description down below for the name. For whatever products that I use, I'm putting all those in the description down below. I'm using Milk of Magnesia in her oily areas, so when we put this foundation on, it doesn't get greasy. The foundation stick I'm using right here is by Juvia's Place. I don't remember the number or what shade it's in, but I'll also put that in the description. Now we're blending. Always remember to pat the foundation in. That's the way you make it stay without creases. That's the way how you get it for the entire day. Pat, 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 blend, blend, blend. Right here, I'm using a Smashbox concealer that I'm using to highlight the under eyes, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, the cupid's bow, and also the chin. Those are like the high point areas of the face. It brings back dimensions to the face, because with the foundation it only makes the face one flat shade, and naturally your face isn't just one flat shade, so we use different concealers to bring back dimensions to the face. I'm also blending this out with the same foundation brush that I use, so everything blends accordingly. I'm using, I think this is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the under eyes, the forehead, the chin. Wherever I highlighted with the concealer, that's where I'm putting the powder. And also, if you notice, I don't cream contour or concealer contour. I just use the powder contour, and this one is the Black Radiance. Yeah, Black Radiance contour palette. This is medium to dark. Right here, I think this is the Juvia's Place highlighter in Heroine. I'm not sure, but I'll put it in the description bar down below. This is a lip gloss by MAC. I think it's in sugar or something like that. Not sure. But yeah, and this is the finished look. Came out good. Let's see. This one's a win. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment whatever you guys think about this video down below. And share. Also share. We need lots of views. Enjoy, guys.
Enjoy my birthday. My nails are done. And I'm drinking some, what is this?
Pink Moscato.
There you go. So, for a birthday girl like me, I feel blessed. Thanks to everybody who made my birthday possible. Y'all will get a video. I'll send you a link. Like and subscribe.